If you are a new student at Delaware County Literacy Council, or you're going to be learning online with us for the first time, one of the things that we use for homework is called Khan Academy. Khan Academy is an app and a website that your teacher is going to use to give you some homework. And the nice thing about Khan Academy is that you can use it on your computer or a phone or a tablet. So today's video is going to show you how to join Khan Academy, and then when you have it, where can you find your homework? And then if you have a problem with your homework, how do you get help on that homework? So as I've mentioned, Khan Academy can work on a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. When you use Khan Academy, one of the ways that it teaches you is with quizzes, with readings, and with videos. So all of those things are going to need to use data or Wi-Fi. And when you watch videos, it can actually use a lot of data. So we recommend that you use Wi-Fi if that's available to you, just because it's going to make watching videos a little bit easier and faster. And then also, not everyone has unlimited data, so Wi-Fi will not use any data. But also, one thing we want to say about using a phone or a computer or a tablet, readings on Khan Academy, they do look better on a computer or a tablet. You can look at readings on your smartphone, but just be aware that it's going to be smaller. Okay, so you have a device. Now, how do we get Khan Academy? If you have an Apple device like an iPhone or an iPad, you'll have to go to the App Store and you'll just search Khan Academy. Make sure that what you find is a free app. This is not something you have to pay for. It is totally free, which is one reason we like to use it. So click on that free button and then click install. If you don't have an Apple device, maybe you have a Samsung phone or anything else, most other phones that are not Apple phones will be using something called Google Play to get apps. So open up Google Play and search Khan Academy, and then click the install button. And remember that this is free, so don't pay for anything. When you have Khan Academy on your phone, eventually it's going to look like this. You have a screen that has the home page, a search page, and bookmarks. And the nice thing about this is that it tells you your homework, your assignments right here, and it tells you when you have to finish it by. So make sure, if you're not seeing this information, make sure you check with your teacher about due dates and when you have to finish your homework. So by now you have downloaded Khan Academy to your smart device. If you have it ready, or if you are just going to be using a computer, I'm going to show you how to join Khan Academy. So something your teacher is going to give you is called a class code. They might also give you a link to join. But this is how you get into their class. So on the app, it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. It's your first time, so we have to sign up. My friends that are using the computer, you will have to go to khanacademy.org. And then when we're here, we click sign up. So you're going to join Khan Academy as a learner. It's going to ask for your date of birth. And then enter a class code. So this is the class code to join my class. So I put that in. My teacher's name is Chris. I'm in his intermediate class at DCLC. So that's the right one. And then we have to be able to sign in now. So I already have an account. For other people, it's going to ask you to join for the first time. So I sign in. I tell it it's okay. And we just have to wait for it to go in. Good, I'm glad that worked. That took a minute. So now it's telling me, welcome to your class, Chris's Intermediate, DCLC. So let's go in. So we have to go, let's click on here where it says courses. And here is my homework for this week. And we just click start. And it goes from beginning to end. Like, so you don't start on something just in the middle. We start here at the beginning and we open it up, and this is a reading to do. So I would read this in order, and when I finish it, it's going to have a check mark here to say I finished it. So if I only have time, if I only have 5 minutes on my break from my job, I can open up the homework. Maybe I want to just do a little bit, and then later when I come back to Khan Academy, it will still have this mark here. So I know, okay, I can do the second part now. And in this reading, it's going to tell me some vocabulary. And this would be something that I study because I might have a quiz on it later. So here are, as I mentioned, there's some videos. So I would go through all of these videos. All right, this one says it's a reading. It's a reading video. And then at the end, there is some questions to practice. So there's a reading here. We go through it all. At the end, there are different quiz questions. Okay. So that's kind of what homework looks like. You will find that sometimes your questions will give you a choice of getting a hint. I'm not seeing that here. I know that they do this. Let's go back. I know that they do hints on the grammar lessons. So if your teacher gives you a grammar lesson and you don't know what to do, you can get help by watching a help video or asking for a hint on one of your quiz questions. And of course, I think all of our teachers want to know if you're having trouble with anything on Khan Academy. So we do have Zoom lessons every week, and teachers should be taking time to answer any questions you have on Khan Academy. But this video just kind of shows you how to get started here, how to join a class, and how to find homework. And then, of course, we just want to let you know that if you have questions, we'll be happy to answer them. So we're very happy to be working with you and to keep the teaching and the learning going during our COVID-19 pandemic. Um, we're looking forward to working with you, and thanks for joining us.